Coming up on Red Hawk News, the soccer teams had their senior nights.
ACIT held its annual open house.
And the fall riding contest has come to an end.
Red Hawk News starts now.
Coming to you from Red Hawk Studios at the Atlantic County Institute of Technology, this is Red Hawk News.
Welcome to today's episode of Red Hawk News, the most trusted source for all things ACIT. I'm Matthew Wan.
And I'm Layla Miller. The girls' soccer team held their senior night on October 2nd. Marissa has more.
On October 2nd, the ACIT girls' soccer team hosted their senior night. This event was a fun and positive experience to show their appreciation for all the amazing seniors on the girls' soccer team. Several of these seniors have held leadership roles and have committed countless hours of hard work to the team. At halftime, the cheerleaders lined up and the seniors walked the field one at a time while getting their names announced. They had photos taken and were given beautiful flower bouquets from their teammates. This evening, filled with laughter and tears, will be remembered in the hearts of these girls indefinitely.
The girls' soccer season just ended. The seniors' last game was on the 25th. The next season begins next August, so be sure to support your Lady Red Hawks.
The boys' soccer team also had their senior night on October 7th. Maya has more.
On October 7th, the ACIT boys' soccer team hosted their senior night. The varsity team competed against Oakcrest, with ACIT winning after an exciting game. The final score is 3-1. During halftime, the seniors were announced on the loudspeaker. The players announced were Mateus Crespo, Samadas Kartofilis, Gabe Sear, Jamie Alleman, and Luis Santiago. The seniors had photos taken with their family and friends and were given gifts from their teammates. This event was a fun and positive experience to show appreciation for all of the years of hard work and dedication from the seniors on the team.
The boys' soccer season ends soon. The next season begins in August.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Seniors, your second trip deposit of $550 is due by November 15th. This is the second of 4 total payments. You can pay your deposit using cash, check made out to ACIT, or credit card on PaySchools. Follow the directions to create an account and set up payment. Please see Ms. Shaughnessy if you have any questions. Roommate requests have also opened up. Head to the Class of 2025 classroom and find the Senior Trip Rooming Request assignment. Please turn in a hard copy to Ms. Shaughnessy by October 30th. The flight information was also shared with the seniors. Make sure you complete it and turn it into Ms. Shaughnessy or Mr. Ravani by November 15th. All these documents must be turned in by hand. No documents should be submitted to Google Classroom. Ms. Shaughnessy is in room 1413 upstairs and Mr. Ravani is in the assistant principal's office.
ACIT's advanced drama class will be holding their annual fall play in the PAC on November 14th and 15th at 7 p.m. This year's production is Arsenic and Old Lace by Joseph Kesseling. Set in New York, this dark comedy takes a twisted turn as Mortimer Brewster tries to balance his family while contemplating marrying the woman he loves. Tickets are $7 online and $10 at the door. We hope to see you there.
Mr. Red Hawk is back! ACIT's annual event is returning with new contestants. Auditions are going on as we speak. See the senior class like you've never seen them before. They will be dancing and singing, and one lucky contestant will be crowned Mr. Red Hawk. Join us on November 22nd for ACIT's 11th annual show. Doors open at 6:30 and will begin at 7 p.m.
Welcome back to Red Hawk News. ACIT is ready for the next generation of Red Hawks to join the nest and let the county see what we have to offer. A great way of doing this is by having an open house. Devin has more.
On October 24th, ACIT held its annual open house. The event allowed current middle schoolers to get a sample of what ACIT has to offer. This includes sports, clubs, and most importantly, our many impressive academies. Each academy and extracurricular activity had representatives to talk about their area of focus and experiences. According to Mr. Ravani, before the end of the night, the school received a significant amount of applications. It was a great night. It was also a successful night due to all the staff and students who stayed after to make the night possible. For Red Hawk News, I'm Devin Voss.
Every year, the open house becomes better and better. We also see a portion of the students come in as freshmen the following school year.
The Media Academy had the pleasure of visiting Atlantic Cape County College for their Media Day.
On October 25th, ACIT students from the Media Academy had the opportunity to attend Media Day at Atlantic Cape Community College. Media Day is an opportunity for students and teachers in the local area to learn about the media-related programs that can be found in ACCC's early college program. The day started with a panel of 4 guest speakers, all sharing tips and giving advice to the young media students. They talked about their experience in the media field and gave the students some guidance about how to flourish in the industry. The students attended workshops that covered numerous topics such as drone technology, radio production, news photojournalism, esports, Steadicam demo, news writing workshop, and more. For Red Hawk News, I'm Michaela Patterson.
The judges for the fall writing contest have finally agreed upon the winners. In third place was Devin Steinman with Trick or Treat. Second place was taken by Chelsea Obat with Precious. And in first place was Victoria Procasio with The House at the End of the Valley.
We'll be right back after this final break.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow Red Hawk Media on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest news for ACIT.
Also discover more about ACIT on our digital publication, The Pursuit. For the crew and staff of Red Hawk News, we'll see you next time.
And remember,
Pursue what you love.